Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let's see how juicing is good for weight loss, its benefits and the right way to drink juices. Let's start. With the growing trend of juicing, people these days stock up home juices since it has exclusive health benefits, especially in weight loss. Freshly squeezed juices have turned out to be an effective way of obtaining more significant results in weight loss. Also, these are recommended by the dietitian since juicing to a great extent helps in visibly reducing weight and also helps in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Consuming the juices from vegetables and fruits helps in better absorption of all the essential vitamins and minerals compared to the whole fruits. Nutritionists and dietitians these days recommend to include juice diets since they are low in calories. Since juice consists of about 600 to 1000 calories, it helps to curtail the intake of a considerable amount of calories, thus leading to quick weight loss. Now let's see how juices helps in weight loss. Before beginning with the process of juicing, you must find out about which fruit or vegetable can help you with effective weight loss management. Finding out about the significant factors of juicing helps in knowing about how it can help in weight loss. Juices do not contain starch, due to which your body quickly sheds water, thus adding extra motivation through your weight loss journey. Drinking juices helps in improving gut health, which plays a crucial role in the weight loss regime. Fresh fruits and vegetable juices do not contain an additional amount of sugar, which leads to unwanted weight gain. Fresh juices contain minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They boost metabolism, which helps in burning calories. Now let's see the right way to drink juices. Juices are indeed useful in weight loss management only if you change the way you are drinking it and you enjoy it at the same time. It will help you in maintaining your weight loss goals. If the taste of the juices feel blunt, then add a dash of pepper powder or cumin powder that may spice up the taste of the juice without compromising on health benefits. Now let's see how to make a simple orange juice. A zero-calorie fruit burns your fat and reduces weight. Oranges are low-calorie fruit with abundant nutrition and you will love the juice to add it regularly in your diet plan. For this you need 3 medium-sized oranges, salt and pepper, optional. You need to peel the oranges and blend in the mixer. Then strain the juice and pour it in a glass. Add the spices if required. Fresh orange juice is ready to drink and burn more than you eat. I hope this information was useful to you and you may include fresh fruit or vegetable juices in your daily routine for weight loss management. Thank you.